Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, rear, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.